Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're going to turn a little sauce dish or shoyu dish for our sashimi or sushi. And we're going to be giving this away to anybody who leaves a comment in the comment section below. You could just say hi in the comments and you'll be entered in a chance to win. We'll ship it pretty much anywhere in the world. So turning this log and I'm cutting a tenon on this side. And I'm going to try to turn two sauce dishes out of this one log. So after I turn the tenon, mount it in our 4-jaw chuck. So now what I'm going to do is cut another tenon on this side so I can mount this side and make a second bowl. So after I cut the tenon, I'm basically shaping the bottom. And now I'm going to get to parting. So I use my parting tool and I'm going to cut the piece on the right off, and there's the blank from my first dish. So I'm using my bowl gouge to hollow this out. And I really got to find a better way to mount the camera so you can see closer. Now I'm using my carbide tool to do the final shaping. And I have everything pretty much shaped. Now I'm going to sand it. I'm going from 120 grit all the way up to 600. And one thing what I like about wood turning is actually it really kind of ties into my martial arts training. What? How does that? What kind of segue is that? Well, if you know like some of your history, Miyamoto Musashi was a carver and a carpenter. And being relaxed and being careful with your cuts uh, in wood turning, it really translates. So right now I'm putting on the finish, which is a high friction polish, and I'm going to start parting it off. So I'm not going to cut it all the way. I'm going to use my saw to take the off because I don't want to drop it. And here it is, our little sauce dish. And we're going to be giving this away. Just leave a comment in the comments below. And in a couple weeks, we'll do a drawing and we'll mail it anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching and aloha.